Hi, my name is Ania Kolbuszewska. Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass on Assessment for Learning. Assessment for learning is a concept which has been gaining in importance in education, including, of course, language teaching in recent years. It has also been gaining momentum in the sense that more and more teachers have started using assessment for learning as an integral part of their teaching. Why is it becoming so popular? Because it has been proven to have a significant influence on the success and the speed of learning, provided, of course, that it is an integral part of the teaching learning process and not something that is done only occasionally or to pay lip service to the current trends in education. Assessment for learning means a shift in how we perceive the teaching learning process, a shift which results in learners taking far more responsibility for their own learning and becoming absolutely central in the process. This helps them not only achieve better results while continuing their formal education, but also once this stage of their lives is over, it helps them become successful lifelong learners. In this very practical session, I will focus on a whole toolkit of strategies, activities, and techniques which you can use in practically every lesson you teach, and which will help you make assessment for learning a truly integral part of your approach to teaching, and to bring more satisfaction all around, as well as better results in terms of student involvement in the learning process and more effective student learning.